Hi lovely people, together with me Dimas Yunani at Kadut Attention. Today I will show you how to cook fried kway teaw. You can see many ingredients seasoning from Indonesia, Japanese, Chinese. Also I use kway teaw from Thailand. Alright, let's go cook. Now I use chicken 500 gram. I use 400 gram for rice noodle, black pepper, salt, fresh onion, garlic, mirin, sake, teriyaki, sesame oil, sweet soy, hot chili sauce, and oyster sauce. First, we boil kway teaw and we give olive oil and salt. Lovely. Till 5 minutes. I will show you how to mix seasoning, the sauce, sweet sauce, almost 2 spoon, mirin, 1 spoon, big spoon, oyster sauce, 1 big spoon, right? Extra hot chili sauce, 2 big spoon, right? After we shake. And ready to use. Let's go cooking. Now we start open fire. Give olive oil. We fried the chicken first. Right, chicken is ready to fry. We use wok to make fried kway teaw. We close a little bit. We open. And after we give sake, right, to make smell nice. This is a special fried kway teaw. We give the fire more bigger than before. Oh, the smell is so delicious. Love it. After we give teriyaki, one bigger spoon, only for chicken, alright? Now garlic, right? We close 2 minutes to make the chicken this done. We open, lovely. Now we put noodles, lovely. Lovely, easy, right? We need time to cook 25 minutes. We give fresh onion, right? We stir like this. Now we give the sauce, the seasoning I make before, lovely. Salt, 1 teaspoon, black pepper, 1 teaspoon. The same oil, not too much, it's a bit red. Now we stir it again. Lovely. Fried Kway Teaw, Indonesian, Japanese, Italian, all in this wok. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Make the channel can come in your house every day. Now it's done. Alright, lovely people, fried Kway Teaw chicken Oriental food can come to your house every time you need. Easy, right? Only 25 minutes, everything will be ready and you can enjoy this food. See you next recipe. Bye. Salam Indonesia.